Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about flow switch activity. I'll create a blank project. I'll name it as flow switch demo. I'll add some description. As in my previous video, we have discussed about switch activity. So flow switch is same as of switch activity. Only difference is that flow switch is used whenever we are creating workflow using flowchart. So let me create a new workflow using flowchart. I'll name it as flow switch demo. I'll add some annotation. This workflow demonstrate about flow switch activity. To demonstrate about flow switch, I am considering a scenario that a customer visits a multi-story parking, and based on his vehicle category, he needs to be guided about floors where vehicle can be parked. So I'll capture some input from user. I want to capture vehicle information. And here in label, I'll enter my expression. I'll ask user, please enter vehicle category. I'll display this message. Then in new line, I'll display vehicle category. So to display a new line, I'll use environment dot new line. Now I'll use vehicle category 1 two-wheeler. Again, I'll take one more category after one line space. So I'll use environment dot new line. Then my category 2 car personal. I'll add two more category. For that, I'll copy this. Car commercial 3. I'll add one more. So we'll copy this. This time we need to close this bracket over here. It's okay. Fourth category I'll use as auto. So if I'll run this flowchart, it will display a message to me like this. Please enter vehicle category. This one. Let us complete this flowchart. Now I'll create one variable by the name of vehicle category. I'll capture result of this input dialog box to this variable. Now I'll use a flow switch statement. As you can see, in flow switch there are 12 connectors. One of them is already occupied, so we can write 11 different cases using flow switch. Here in expression, I'll specify name of my variable vehicle category, and I need to change data type of this vehicle category as integer. Now for different vehicle category, we need to guide to the customer. I'll use a message box. We will connect this with this message box. We will add one message over here, but before that, if we will click here, it is showing that it is default case. As we have seen default case in switch statement also, that if user input any value which is not a part of provided option, so we will execute default case in that scenario. So we will provide a message in default case, like we can provide message invalid vehicle category. Now I'll take one more message box. I'll connect this. Now this time it is showing case 0, but as we have case from 1 to 4, so I'll make it case 1. And here one point to remember, we will not click this is default case, because default case we have already taken. So I'll provide one message over here, like go to first floor. So I'll take one more message box. I'll connect this. And here in case, I'll specify case number 2. I'll add some message. Go to second floor. We need to add 2 more message box. I'll connect my flow switch. I'll connect with this. So this is case number 3. Here I'll add a message, go to basement. We need to add one more message box. I'll connect this message box with my flow switch. Here I'll specify case. It is 4th case. And here I'll specify go to 3rd floor. So this workflow is complete by using flow switch. Now let me execute and check the output. Vehicle category 1, go to 1st floor. I'll execute again. 3, go to basement. I'll execute again. This time if I'll enter 12, as it is not a valid category, so I'll get message invalid vehicle category. Invalid vehicle category. This is how flow switch works. With this, I will wind up this session. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.